Hi everyone, this is Teacher Ryan, and today we're going to talk about simple present third person. So we want to talk about the pronunciation of the final sound in third person. Okay? So first of all, let's look at third person. Okay, here we have I eat vegetables. That's true. I eat vegetables. Okay? And this, we have I, so this is called first person. Okay? But then, if we change the subject to he, or she, or it, we need to add an S because it's third person. It's third person. So, we have he eats vegetables. Okay? So today in this video, we're talking about the pronunciation of this S because it changes a little bit. Okay? So there's three options for pronunciation of this S. I know. One letter, three different options. So we're going to look at the first one, voiced. Okay? So with the voiced sound, we have a Z. So this S is going to sound like a Z. Why? Because of this. Okay? Because this has a voiced ending. So we have yell, yell. And when we change that to third person singular, we have yells. She yells at me. Oh, that's bad. Okay? We have say. But in third person, we're going to have says, says, with a Z, kind of a Z sound. Okay? We have go, and we need to add this E here because it ends in an O, ends in a vowel. So we have goes, goes. Okay? It's not a really strong Z, it's just like a little Z. Goes, goes. And you should be able to feel it here. Goes, goes. Okay? Second category, we have voiceless. And in the voiceless category, we're going to have an S sound. Okay? These endings have air, like hit, hit. Okay? So if we take a sticky note here, so this T should have air. Hit, stop, stop, and laugh, laugh. Okay, so all three of these have air. We also call it voiceless, maybe in your textbook. So it's going to go to an S sound. Hits, stops, laughs. Okay? So S here, Z here, right? Okay, but what if the word ends in a Z or some other sounds? Oh, okay. Now, in this category, we're going to have a EZ sound, okay? So we have buzzes, buzzes. This word buzz is like a beat. Buzz, buzzes, changes, changes, okay? And this is a is sound, is. And washes, washes, okay? So when you're saying this simple present in third person, remember there's three different sounds that it could make. It could make a z, a s, or a is, okay? So go through some reading, read out loud, and come back and watch the video and practice to check if you have it correct. Okay, everyone, if you have a question, remember, just type a comment for me. I go through and answer my comments every week or two, so just send me a little comment. And good luck. I hope this video helps. See you later. Bye-bye.